What's up, guys? So first step in building a $1,000 a week profit income on eBay is opening an eBay account. So this is the sign up page. I put the link in the comment. So I'm going to pin all these instructions in the comments below. So please smash the like button and consider subscribing if you're joining this series to build a $1,000 a week income. So first thing you're going to do is sign up for an eBay account. I recommend getting a separate email. So I made a separate email for this eBay account, and in the Gmail section for settings, I use Gmail because it's free and I use the Google Suite for my business. So chris@dailyrefinement.com is my normal email. You hop in here. I forward emails to my main email for all my businesses, so I only use one email for all my businesses. So this makes it easier because eBay does have a lot of emails. So if you want to filter some out to save storage, you can do that. So I recommend you create a separate email account for just eBay and then sign up using that account. That's what I recommend. So now that you've signed up, eBay is going to give you a random username. So it's giving me the random name of reseller46. As you can see, this is 0 feedback. I'm starting this account from 0. So you may want to change your username. So I put the link in the description right here also, and this video is the same for how to change your eBay username. So then click on this link on the right and it'll pull you to this page. So I'm going to change the name of this store to Reseller Nirvana, which is the name of my Facebook group. If you guys need mentorship, you can hop in there. Reseller Nirvana is going to be where you sell and list the same number of items. So for this experiment, I want to sell 10 items and list 10 items every single day all year long. And I want to get $15 profit per item. That is $1,000 per week. That's the goal. So you can come in here and change your name. I recommend something that's a little classier. Don't put, my name is Chris. So I wouldn't put like Chris's backyard deals. That doesn't sound very premium. So try to get an idea that sounds a little cooler. I don't like reseller Nirvana because there is a little bit of stigma with being a reseller. So I'm just doing that for this example, but I would pick something that sounds more premium. Maybe like something Nirvana, because Nirvana is a great word, but reseller Nirvana has that negative stigma with reseller. But I just want people to be able to find the store. Next, I want you guys to read about the store subscriptions. So store subscriptions, I recommend you do that because the fees are lower. So I'm going to sign up for the basic store once I have a little bit of cash. And I'm starting this again with 0, but it doesn't cost money when you sign up for a store because they bill you at the end of the period. So you're not paying this $21.95 up front. But you do end up paying it. So I'm going to wait till there's a little bit of cash before I sign up for a store. But I put the link on the right. You want to read about the store subscriptions to find out which one is best for you. So these are the different fees: 5, 22, 60, 300, and 3,000. In my main store, I have an anchor store. So I have 25,000 listings. But for most people, 99% of people, the basic store is going to be enough for you. And that's after you get going. So in order to sign up for it, you do have to add a payment method, which I just did. And you want to look for the promotions. So when I start in the next couple of days, there's actually a promotion right now for the first 200 listings are free. Now, unfortunately, it's already July 26th and this expires August 1st, but it'll allow me to get a few listings started for the first month. So it's exciting because you can just get started on eBay sometimes with these promotions, and they're not charging for cell phones. Cell phones is a great way to get started because, usually somebody has their old phone unless they sold it to get the one they have. But anyway, come to this page, and this is where you're gonna learn how to list. And believe it or not, I'm gonna put this link in the section to the right. eBay has great training tools for you guys to learn how to list. I mean, I have resources to help you as well, but so does eBay. It's in eBay's best interest to help you start an eBay store, so you don't need to pay for any information online, to be honest. You can just come on here, read eBay's information. It's in their best interest for you to sell something because they make money if you sell something. So next, once you sign up for a basic store, which is what I'm going to do shortly, they give you a coupon. And the coupon is going to allow you to buy eBay supplies, which I think is great. That's why I want to pick the basic store, because you get $25 in free supplies. So it's kind of like you're just buying your supplies for $22. It is a little bit of expensive, but you need supplies. So I would order the basic poly mailers. So The poly mailers here are that I'm going to order are 9.5 by 11.5, and you're going to see that these poly mailers are the ones that you use most commonly, and with the $25 coupon, it's going to make this $2.50 to buy this initial set of poly mailers to get started. So I'm going to wait till I make $2.50 before I order these, because I don't want to go into the hole before I've even started with supplies. A lot of people make the mistake in the beginning of ordering a whole bunch of stuff they don't need in the beginning. Keep your expenses zero when you first start. Go to the U.S. Post Office site, which I'm going to link on the right as well, and this is where you would get all the supplies from the post office for free. I recommend getting a few of everything. Some flat rate envelopes, a couple of boxes. I got a variety pack here so that I can show you guys what every box does. But I'm going to hopefully be pretty comprehensive in this guide. This would be the video on how to start an eBay store. So set up a separate email, I recommend, and go to this page, sign up for an eBay store, and then you're going to get started. And again, it's going to take a while. Consider yourself in the infant stage of starting an online business, but literally no cost to start. It's one of the only businesses on earth that you can start with literally zero money. So I appreciate you guys. Smash the like button. We'll see you in the next episode.